Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here on Merrimont Drive in Troy, Ohio. The guys are actively working. This is a live construction site. You can see next to me, they got the big opening, putting a 3-light slider in there. I do believe it used to be 2 double hungs in a picture window, but we're going to go on inside and see what they got done and kind of doing a little bit different content on this episode of The Customer's House. All right. So what's special about these windows is the customer got the Aeris line, and that's wood on the inside and vinyl on the outside. Let's go ahead and walk into the living room and I'll explain that to you a little bit better. So what this is it's a completely 100% vinyl window, and the real wood, this is oak wood that she had stained the caramel color. It's actually snaps into place of this frame. This is a European frame, and Provia builds this window. It's called their Aeris line. And when you see how it's built, it's pretty neat. Get a little cutaway and show you how the wood is fastened. Still has the dual active locks just like the other ones, so it tilts in. I'm gonna be real careful with this wood. And then on the top, it has the normal latches. Still built just as well as any of the other windows. And she got brushed nickel, or not brushed nickel, antique bronze or oil rub bronze for her hardware to match. So, and she did get triple pane. You can see by the U factor that she got triple pane windows. That's the most popular package we have. I'm gonna go ahead and walk back here to the bedroom and take a look at that one as well. So we're here in the bedroom, same window. The guys are not 100% complete yet. We have some flat pieces of wood. It's the oak wood, just like this from the factory, that we'll put right here so you can't see the beige color right here on the edge of the window. And then once they put up those little pieces, that'll complete the install on the inside. And then I do believe they have a couple of them done on the outside. So let's go on ahead and take off back out there and see what those look like. And here we are on the outside. The customer on the downstairs windows, she's got the brick. So Chris, our magnificent metal bender, he's got the aluminum on the outside. And then if you look above me, that's aluminum siding, and he's got that opening finished as well. So these windows turned out really nice. Customer's really loving it. We spoke to her before she stepped out. Just can't wait for it to be 100% complete. So thanks for watching. Peace out, everybody.